So we recently acquired this 1979 Yamaha IT 175. This bike has been in Taylor's family for over 30 years and is one of the bikes that Taylor learned how to ride on. It has a few interesting modifications done to it, an unknown amount of hours, and it's really only had just general maintenance done to it in the 30 years that Taylor's family has owned it. The running joke is that every time we take it out, it's the last time this bike is going to be out before the motor blows, but inevitably, every single time it returns safe and sound with zero issues. In the honor of it being a completely unrestored 45-year-old motorcycle, we're just going to continue riding it like it is and just do general maintenance until eventually it does blow up. But for now, this is our new trail maintenance bike, hence the chainsaw mount on the front. Despite being married to Taylor for 7 years, I've actually never ridden this bike, so let me show you what happened the first time I took it on a trail.
Try this. Oh my god. Want to trade for a minute?
I guess.
This is gonna
I don't, but I'm also I'm trying not to drop your bike. I don't want to drop someone else's fucking bike.
Well, drop that.
I don't want to drop this either. Are you kidding?
Alright. I'll follow you.
Yeah, I'm gonna go slow as shit.
It doesn't have any power.
Oh shit. Wrong.
I think it's in second.
This thing stinks.
Oh, it reeks.
Oh, it's nasty stinky.
I had to two-finger clutch it.
It doesn't stop. The clutch thing's whatever, but oh my god, it bitch doesn't stop.
Well, you got to stand on that rear brake.
Holy shit, yeah you do.
You gotta get it into the power band. It will wheelie.
Oh, I tried.
No. You'll find it. It's like an old turbo car. You wait, and then all of a sudden it comes alive. Just find it.
Just find it. Oh, I'm kind of terrified of it.
Even hit the power band yet.
Really?
No.
Oh my god, I feel like it's screaming.
No, wait until you get up and...
This is a fucking workout, man. You can't stand.
No.
You can't stand.
You should, we should deck it out a little bit, and you should kick everyone's ass in next year's race on that.
Oh my god, I know I'm going slow as fuck.
You're going faster than you normally go.
No way.
Yeah, you're doing like 25.
That's how I normally go.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.